Welcome guys, and today I'm going to show you how I can do a flip out mission in Skate 4. So let's get started. Here you'll need to get some speed and of course jump. So let's get some speed. Jump right here. Select the bearing. And here you may need to jump again. Be ready to jump. Here get some speed. Collect that bearing. And here. Now go straight right here. And here be ready to do double backflip. Here is where you do a backflip. So practice it and do it again. So that's pretty much it. That's how you do a flip out mission. So let's try again. Collect all the bearings. Here jump, jump again. Okay, and I failed. So you get the idea where you need to kickflip and where you need to do a backflip. So that's pretty much it, and see you guys in the next one.